Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today we have a product from Laser Ammo. Not only am I going to review it, I'm going to demonstrate how everything works. It's the Laser Ammo Surestrike Dry Fire Laser Kit. It is the ultimate law enforcement edition. Now I'm going to show all the features and everything that's in this kit. First of all, I'm going to show everyone what comes with this. You have your user guide. You have 6 reflective targets that come with it. Comes in a nice little camo carrying case. And here are all the components. This is your laser cartridge, and it comes with a 223 activation mode cap on it. And it also has your 9mm cap. You have an adapter for 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. Have an adapter for 45 ACP. You have your safety nut that comes with it. Your battery pack, it has 3 batteries, and they are all in plastic and they stay intact in that. Do not remove that. We'll set that here for the moment. It also has the safety system short pipe with extension. This is for the longer barrels. Now I'm going to show everyone how we assemble this and what all we can do with this. And in the 9mm mode, it also functions as a bore sight if you wanted to. Show everyone just how we do this. First of all, we're going to take our 223 cap off, and they're very fine threads and precision machined. We're going to put this back in the case, and here's your laser. You're going to take your battery, positive side up, and your 9mm adapter. Carefully put it on here and do not cross thread it and do not over tighten. Now we have this set up and it is in laser mode. And to set it up for the bore sight, you push this down, trying to show everyone what everyone can see, and you're going to hold it. It's going to flash about 9 seconds. It'll have 1 flash and then 2 short flashes. Now it is in the bore sight mode. And it will stay on till you push it off. And if it's in the firearm, pull the trigger once, it'll turn on. Pull the trigger twice, it'll turn off. Now we're going to put this back in the laser mode till it flashes 1 time. It should be back in the laser mode. Okay, now we've got that done. We're going to put it in this Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. Everyone can see it's clear. Drop your cartridge down in here and make sure it's seated all the way. Push it with your finger. Then we're going to take the safety pipe and we're going to screw it into it. You do not need the extension on this M&P because of the barrel length. Just get it secure, do not over tighten it. Make sure you hold your finger on the end of the laser. Now you can put your safety nut on, and it is reversible depending on how long your barrel is. Snug it up. Now you can let the slide go forward. Take this target. See how that works. Very effective. Great training tool. Now we're going to disassemble it and we're going to put it in a Beretta M9. Just reverse your procedure. And I hope one can see what's on film here. Take a little pencil, push it out, fall down your mag well. Now we're going to set this aside. Same thing with the Beretta. Everyone can see it's empty. We're going to drop it down in here. And it's a little easier with this Beretta because of the design. And this one, you will need the extension on it. And like I said, do not over tighten anything. And keep your finger on there, that way everything's in the proper place. Now that's good and snug. We'll take our target. We got it in single action. And it's time to take it back apart. And we're going to put it in a 1911 45 ACP. Take this back apart. Push that out. Now we have a 1911. Everyone can see it's clear. What we do now, we take this back apart. We're going to take the 9mm off of it and set it on the cleaning cloth. I'll lay this out here, very easier for everyone to see. There's your battery. I'll take the 45 ACP and be careful, one end has some fine threads, one does not. Take the end without the threads, drop it down, and gently screw it on here. Just get it snug, and everyone should be able to see the threads on here. We'll put our battery back in here, positive side up, and we'll put our 9mm cap back on. Now it is ready. I'm going to drop it down in the barrel. Going to put our pipe and adapter on it. And we got it snug. We'll put our safety nut on. And I'll lay this little block out here, just be a little easier for me. Now, let the slide go back forward. Got our target. There it goes. Do it again. Very effective, and I like these reflective targets. Now we're going to take this apart. We're going to set it up for the 223, and we will demonstrate it in an AR-15. we will take our little safety nut off. And we'll put everything back in the case since we're finished with this. Let's put this back on. So the case keeps everything intact. And it's out now. So we're going to disassemble this and put it together with the 223 adapter. Little Otis tool makes it easier to get out of there. Just reverse it again. We're going to take our 9mm adapter since we're finished with it. Going to remove the 45 ACP. We're going to take our original 223 end cap that was on it in the beginning. We're going to take our battery, put it back in. Put this back on it again. As I said, be careful, do not cross thread anything and do not over tighten it. And now we can put the barrel adapter for the AR-15 in here. This is 223 cartridge designed for the AR-15. It may or may not work in other 223 rifles. Take a moment here, get the AR out, we'll demonstrate this. Now we're set up for the AR-15, and I want everybody to see this is empty and clear. Not sure if you can see down in there, but I'm going to try to make it where you can. Drop your cartridge down in here. Yeah, let's see. And one thing I found for me, my fingers are too big, but if you take your pencil, make sure it's all the way down in there. It's very important because if you do not, it will not work properly. Now, release your bolts back down. Take it off safe. Well, let's see if it hits the target here. There we go. Works great. And when you get ready to disassemble it, show everyone what we do on this. Lock it back. Make sure everything's locked. And they recommend using a rod, but I like my little Otis cables with an obstruction remover. And what I'm going to do here is just drop it down the end of the barrel. And it won't take much. Push it out that way. Falls right down your mag well. Very handy. Now we'll have a few final words. Okay, now I hope I've shown everyone a good demonstration of how to assemble this and how to put it in your firearms. And one thing I'm going to explain to everybody, put this back in here, is always take out your battery when you're through with your practice. That way it will last longer. Laser Ammo has a multitude of training products, and dry fire will take you to the next level with your skills. It is perishable skill, and if you do not keep up practice, you will get a little rusty. This way you can practice at home, don't have to spend money on ammo, don't have to drive to the range. It does not replace live fire, but this will keep you in practice. Follow them on Facebook. Follow the Bearded Sharpener on Facebook. Like and subscribe to this channel. Share it with all your friends. Till next time, have a good day.